Join me as I take on the challenge of overcoming hemiplegia weakness using just 2 simple exercises. Hemiplegia is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and it's a reality that I'm all too familiar with. Whether it's a result of a stroke, traumatic brain injury, or some other condition, living with hemiplegia can be a daily struggle. But I believe that no matter what challenges we face, we always have the power to take control and make a change. And that's exactly what I want to talk about today: how to overcome hemiplegia weakness through exercise. Exercise is a crucial part of rehabilitation for anyone living with hemiplegia. It's not just about regaining strength and mobility, it's about regaining independence, confidence, and a sense of purpose. But I know that it can be tough to get started, especially when you're faced with the overwhelming feeling of not knowing where to begin. That's why I want to share with you 2 simple exercises that can make a world of difference in overcoming hemiplegia weakness. Hemiplegia is a condition that affects the nerve pathways in the brain, resulting in weakness or paralysis on one side of the body. It can affect anyone, regardless of age or fitness level, and its effects can be devastating. But with the right treatment and rehabilitation, it's possible to regain strength and mobility, and even make a full recovery. Living with hemiplegia can be a daily struggle, from simple tasks like getting dressed or brushing your teeth, to more complex activities like cooking or exercising. It's a condition that affects not just the individual, but also their loved ones and caregivers. But despite the challenges, I believe that with the right mindset and support, anyone can overcome hemiplegia weakness and live a fulfilling life. Okay, let's get to the exercises. The first exercise is called the wall slide. This exercise is great for strengthening your arms and shoulders, and it's perfect for anyone who's just starting out. To do the wall slide, stand with your affected arm facing a wall, with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly slide your arm up the wall, keeping your elbow straight, and then slowly slide it back down. Repeat this motion for 10 to 15 reps, and take breaks in between. Remember to breathe naturally and don't push yourself too hard. The goal is to challenge yourself, not to exhaust yourself. The key to the wall slide is to keep your elbow straight and your shoulder relaxed. This will help you engage your shoulder muscles and prevent any strain on your joints. Start with shorter reps and gradually increase the distance as you build strength and confidence. Another important tip is to focus on your core engagement. Keep your abs tight and your pelvis stable, as this will help you maintain good posture and prevent any discomfort or pain. Remember, it's all about control and precision. Don't rush through the exercise, and take your time to focus on the movement. Now, let's move on to the second exercise, which I like to call the arm circle. This exercise is great for strengthening your shoulders and improving your range of motion. To do the arm circle, hold your affected arm straight out to the side, with your elbow locked and your fingers relaxed. Slowly make small circles with your hand, first clockwise and then counterclockwise. Repeat this motion for 10 to 15 reps, and take breaks in between. The key to the arm circle is to keep your arm straight and your shoulder relaxed. This will help you engage your shoulder muscles and prevent any strain on your joints. Remember to breathe naturally and don't push yourself too hard. The goal is to challenge yourself, not to exhaust yourself. As you get more comfortable with the exercise, you can gradually increase the size of the circles and the speed of the motion. Remember to focus on your core engagement and keep your posture straight, as this will help you maintain control and precision. One of the biggest challenges of exercising with hemiplegia is staying motivated. It can be tough to get started, especially when you're faced with the feeling of not being able to do something. But I want to tell you that every small step counts, and every rep is a victory. Don't be too hard on yourself if you don't see results right away. Just focus on making progress, and celebrate your small wins along the way. Another challenge is dealing with physical limitations. It can be tough to adapt exercises to your individual needs, especially when you're working with limited mobility or strength. But I want to tell you that there are always ways to adapt, and there are always ways to overcome. Whether it's working with a physical therapist, using assistive devices, or finding creative solutions, there's always a way to make exercise work for you. So if you're struggling with motivation, I want to encourage you to find an exercise buddy or join a support group. Having someone to hold you accountable and cheer you on can make all the difference in staying motivated and committed to your rehabilitation. And if you're struggling with physical limitations, I want to encourage you to seek professional guidance. Working with a physical therapist or occupational therapist can help you adapt exercises to your individual needs and abilities, and can provide you with the support and guidance you need to overcome any obstacles. Remember, overcoming hemiplegia weakness is not just about exercising, it's about taking control of your life and your rehabilitation. It's about believing in yourself and your abilities, and finding the strength and motivation to keep pushing forward. So I want to leave you with a challenge today, to try these 2 exercises, and to see the difference they can make in your life. Don't be afraid to adapt, to adjust, and to overcome, because I believe that you have the power to overcome hemiplegia weakness and live a fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on rehabilitation and recovery, and to share your experiences with me. Let's take on this challenge together, and let's overcome hemiplegia weakness 1 rep at a time.